All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the date and time on your WOLFANG 4K 60 frames per second action camera. First of all, we got to turn her on. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Now we got to go to settings. We're going to hit this universal settings down in the right-hand corner. We're going to go to this settings, hit it, and then we've got to slide to date and time. Bam, there it is. We're going to click here. All right, now I've already set it. It's January 25th, 2024, but if you want to change these, you can go up and down just by hitting these little arrows. I've got it set month, date, year, but you can change that too. You see that? I'm going back to month, date, year. It's the 25th, but if it was the 24th, you would hit that. If it was the 26th, you would, just put it wherever it's supposed to be. You want to change the year, same thing here. All right, now if you're cool with that and everything's good, you click this, and then it goes to the time. Let's say it's 10 minutes after, and how many seconds, I don't know, whatever you want. And that's how you set the time. Then you just hit it, bam, Bob's your uncle. Then you click this and you're back to your regular screen. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.